What's happening with you, YouTube? How y'all doing today, man? Beautiful Saturday morning. Actually, it is a beautiful Saturday morning. It started off kind of dreary because it was raining, but it seems the rain has pushed away, and the sun is out. Sun's out, guns out. Yeah. Oh, let me stop. Anyway, did everybody had luck with your French Blue 12s? I guess those released today. It is April the 2nd, right? Yeah. So hopefully, you know, if you wanted them, you was able to get them. I haven't checked YouTube yet to see the hysteria, if any. Hopefully nobody got shot, stabbed, or beat the hell up behind a pair of freaking sneakers. But you know, with Jordan releases, it's like a common thing nowadays, unfortunately. But I already know I got my pair locked down. Alright, shout out to the plug. Mine will be here momentarily. But you know me, man, once I get them, I'm not going to put them on feet just yet. You know what I'm saying? I like to let them marinate for a little bit. Let you guys rock the hell out of yours. Then I'll bust mine out later on. You dig? But anyway, so I know I didn't mention to you guys early in the week, but this past Wednesday was my wife's birthday. So you know, we're gonna do something for her today. All right. So we're gonna have some family and some friends come over, and you know, we're gonna do it up a little bit. All right. So I'm gonna vlog it. That's what I do. Dig? But right now I'm on the way to Wally World to grab some charcoal and whatnot. I'm about to bust out the grill. I ain't been grilling in a hot minute, so I'm about to get that popping. And my little sister and my niece is coming up from South Carolina to celebrate the occasion. That's alright. We had a little heart-to-heart the other day, man. I'm not gonna get deep off into that conversation, but you know, we had a little heart-to-heart and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? It was a little misunderstanding between us two, but cooler heads shall prevail. But at the end of the day, that's still my sister. That's my blood. It's nice, and everything is everything. It's all love. All right. So I'm looking forward to that. Don't know exactly what time she's gonna be here, but you know, it's a 2-hour trip from where she's at, so you know. But anyway, let's roll up into Walmart and get this charcoal. You dig? That's my shit right here. Hey, gonna change plans. I gotta run to get my brother-in-law. I'm on it. You know, we're gonna go half on this food. I'm feeling this right here. At third. Let me calm the hell down. But like I was saying though, about to grab Corey. About to go half on this food. Then we're gonna go back to the crib and start prepping for all these nigmos to come tear up my house. Yeah, that's. There you go. Alright, now I got you. Superman.
Okay. Oh, give me a second. You know what I'm saying? I got to get my fresh on.
Yeah. Old Mac back at it again in the black and blue vans.
I got this little, man.
Weak, bro. Alright, let's do this.
I got to be fresh like
Oh, come on, man. You look gay as hell, bro. Don't do that shit. We're not gonna do that. That's what we not gonna do. That's what we not gonna do.
Oh shit.
Say when. Oh, there it is.
Just take it, man. You know what I'm saying? Just take a few of them and I go through them. You know what I'm saying?
All right.
I don't give a fuck how I'm standing and shit. Just take them.
All right.
I'm like, oh Lord. Oh Lord, that was a dick.
Oh, you stupid.
Oh damn, I thought that was a girl.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, I got another one. Are you good?
Yeah, fuck it, man. Take it down. You got me recorded in it, damn?
Yeah, man.
Oh man, come on.
Dual purpose, baby.
They take one like this. Ah!
Yeah, look, and I got it too.
That's the wrong damn hand.
Man, my hand.
Fuck no, fuck that, man. Nigga, we grew up in it.
Yeah. Record right here. So tomorrow, so when we get to the crib, right, we put all this food up and everything. Y'all can catch that fade, right?
Actually, I will bust this motherfucking ass. Trust me, believe. Fuck all that fucking work. Fuck all that fucking work. Now wait a minute.
I just got carried away. I call it amazing grace. That shit you making me
No.
hear. I blow it all in the day.
Look at him. He drinking and driving all that.
Fuck him up with this. Shrimp and beer. I'm gonna fuck his ass up. We on the run for the money.
Look at this nigga
I
laugh.
need to pick up the pace.
I would choke that nigga out.
You wanna grab me by the neck?
What?
Nah, I would choke that nigga. I will beat
Can't even see your monkey ass, bro.
choke. Wow. Never control me. I done got highest.
You ain't a black joke, bro.
Oh, you still hating me?
Yeah,
I'm black.
Dark skin, light skin.
Oh, go get some vegetable oil like I told you.
I ain't give a shit about that.
I don't know, man. I think it's wrong to take it.
That's fine with me.
I just might get carried away.
That's how you feel. You
It's
put
going
money on him.
I just might get carried
You
away.
put money on him.
I ain't bluffing.
That's how you feel. You put money on him.
I'm not bluffing.
You instigate some shit if you want. Motherfucking police be out there like, radio!
On this is not seasoned. The whole side on this one is not seasoned. He sprinkled. This the only patty right here that is seasoned. These the only two that is seasoned.
That's how I feel about you.
This is why I tell you, when you don't take pride in what you do, when you don't take pride in what you do, you don't care.
That's how I feel about you.
And this is how you feel when you don't care. This is how you look when you don't care. When you give up on everything. It starts from simple things as not like this, and then it carry on.
That's stupid.
I ain't nothing to say. He's gonna laugh in front of the camera.
I don't have to entertain you, son.
Man, you something.
You need to
You
make
did all that damn talking.
Put him
You
on
did all that
Snapchat.
talking, bro. You did all that talking. Now you don't
He's
have to
Snapchat material. Not too much seconds. Don't give him too much time. Give him a half a minute.
I'm saying, yo,
Let him
yo,
somebody
man,
talk
look,
about you.
man, go outside and catch that fade. I'm telling you. Come on, go ahead and catch that fade, come on.
Easy.
Easy.
You don't take easy wins.
Easy work.
Easy wins. I get no credit for whooping him. I get no credit.
Hold on, man. Do that.
What are you doing?
I'm sorry.
Kill it.
Wasn't start the ball. Oh my God, I'm going to put the key inside my pocket. Walking might not get to see it. This is the man in the mirror. I get keep someone said it calling. I don't feel like talking. Everything is different than the way I bought it. Phone be interrupting me while I'm recording. Don't be making women feel it. My doggy saying all the way we're calling. Keep the on cause I'm not using the farm and kitchen. I just finished up a new perform. Hate on what you wear. I know I tell. Cut it.
dress it.
Hitting my plug on the 70. Tell my that I'm sorry. I was scared off in the wrong. I'm gonna go break me a pipe. Keep 45 on my side.
Go ahead, Dish. I see you.
All of my say blood. All of my say cuz. Obviously, I found me a plug. I got it straight out the mud. Keep it 100 no budge. I'm feeling low with the drugs. Busting it down in the tub. Having my money in dubs. Water whipping, looking like a fish in baseball in the kitchen with my arm. My picture rolling on his glisten. I'm a daughter kissing. Steady tripping, so I steady gripping. Dirty money on me, got a scale up on me. I don't phony about to sell a pony. Tell me, say my boss is good, motherfucker. Show.
Oh yeah, that's a pig.
That's a pig play.
Exactly. Give me some, bro.
Like all the.
Yeah, you go sit down. He young, bro, but that's a pig place. You go sit down. Eat, son. Eat it all. Don't fix no more.
This is how big. What you doing, man?
Whatever you fix, you eat.
Oh,
Trust a man. So whatever you fix, you eat.
Oh, that's gone.
What's going? Your hairline?
I'm just gonna say the same thing.
I know it. Because you created them.
Nah, your dumb jokes is gone.
Guess what? You are the joke. Sorry to say. Okay. Cool, that's enough sauce. If you gonna
You
eat,
got to waste all my stuff.
come on, man.
We have to be buying stuff.
This man father pay for this type of stuff. You can't be eating all the sauce. Eat some food.
See where this is going.
This is an old saucy person for real though. Ever since I knew you. Mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard.
So what?
Lettuce.
So what?
No meat.
You like eating. You don't like eating, bro? It's your problem.
Get that right there, DJ. DJ, this is Torn Bro Live on May 2nd, not April Fool's Day. This is the real truth. This is a Superman shirt from Walmart. Right here. From Corey. They fold them up. They do not put these on shelves. They do not put hangers on them. That means you wash them with any expensive dish detergent, they look like that. He's having a good day. He want to say jump and tag me in the post. Guess what? I do not like this man. He's my best friend, but I accept him.
That shirt and those shorts are not. That shirt and those fucking jeans are not. Those things are not yours, bro.
Guess what?
This is not yours. This come from the McNeil farm. This come from my shit. This come from my house.
Your house.
Ain't none of that yours.
Your house.
Ain't none of that yours.
Your house.
Ain't none of this yours.
Yes, it is.
This is mine.
That's yours.
Ain't none of that yours.
You don't owe very much respect to you.
What you got on there?
I'd rather be written this than to own that. What's wrong with you? It is what it's
What y'all doing? What y'all doing, man? Real, man. What y'all doing, bro? That's not even that funny, bro. Real, man. Like y'all laughing like hell.
I like that.
I already be written this and own that. Goddamn. What's this shit?
DJ videotaping all day.
Next time I ain't coming.
It is new house.
How about that?
Hey, this is new
How about
house.
next time I ain't coming to get you? How about next time you stay at home?
Come on, Corey. Corey, come on, man. Don't go out of that, Corey. He got her on the ropes.
As soon as she slide her wig on, she's tough. She's tough. Look at her. Look at her. A stocking cap away. Being popular. Look at her. A stocking cap away from 1,000 likes. Look at her.
Oh, gosh. Swing back, Corey. Come on, man. Don't go out of that, bro.
Don't comment. Don't comment. Just like it. Just comment.
Come on, Corey. Come on, Corey.
Should have me with him with Cat Williams last week. Look at him. It's not funny. It's life. You got responsibility. It's not funny. It's not. You're right.
Oh, gosh.
Got things to do Monday through Friday. Okay. Look at his phone. Look at his phone. It's just jumping. That's dial-up. That's dial-up. AOL. Watch. You click on something. Watch. I'm pressing things. It's supposed to be a touch screen. It's supposed to be a touch screen. But he has a field screen. He needs to upgrade.
A field screen. Oh, get him. Get him. This ain't fair. Man, this ain't fair. This ain't fair. This ain't fair.
Oh, somebody's calling Corey. Brown. Brown is calling Corey.
You're supposed to call me the clown.
Go ahead and answer it. That's you, clown. You're important right now. Go ahead and answer it. Go ahead and answer it.
That's your phone.
It's a mistake. Pocket dialer. You see what I'm saying? It's only when you get a phone call, pocket dialer. You didn't see me call him or anything. Pocket dialer. That's the only way you get a phone call. Let's see where this is going. In 100 shares, Corey will stop getting into women again. He gave up. He's giving up. If you check his last 2-year posts, there's a status about every woman about what they're not doing. It's his fault that he has nobody. It's his fault.
I see what this is.
Yeah, you see what it's doing. You see what it's doing. I hate plastic.
Don't do it.
It's not plastic. It's not plastic though.
None of what you have on is yours.
What? Okay. Okay, what? You can go swimming
Like,
with
I
your
pay
watch.
for everything.
You can go swimming with your watch. That's your point?
You pay for
Is
everything.
that your point? Is that your point? Is that your point?
You know what I'm saying?
Is that your favorite tattoo?
The hat.
Is that your favorite tattoo? Do you need a Charlie Brown right there in the middle? Do you need a little Bill?
Oh, wait.
Bill Cosby's innocent. It's okay now.
Oh, God.
It's not supposed to be funny. It's for your better. You're missing the message.
This boy dumb.
You got a cute man.
It's not to be cute. It's not to be cute neither. You gotta be around here, you know what I'm saying? I don't work on Saturday.
Oh.
It's not to be cute.
I can count on like 1, 2, 3. Everything gotta run through me. You know, heaven don't want to see it like. I know what you like. I got what you love. I am your plug. She fell in love. She fell in love. She want the plug. She want the plug. She fell in love. She want the plug. She fell in love. She want the plug. She giving me back. I gotta cook up now. Ain't no marinade, dog. It's no kind of wait, dog. Wait, dog.
Wait, dog.
We done selling weight, dog. Weight, dog.
Wait, dog.
If I feel away, dog, they feel away, dog. They come with a case, dog.
Video.
Way too high, you need to cut it. Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. Them breasts is way too high, you need to cut it. Your breasts is way too high, you need to cut it. Running the best of a record. Hitting my plug on the 7. Somebody speak that I'm sorry. I'ma skate off in the rise. Keep 36 by my side. I'ma go make me a pie. Keep 45 on my side. Fuck with my nigga. Keep it 100 in a bush. I fell in love with the drugs. Busting it down in the tub. Bringing my money in dubs. Water whipping looking like a fish in baseball. The kitchen with all my bitches. I got 2
Y'all gotta excuse me, man. I'm currently in the bathroom right now. I'm not trying to be nasty or nothing, but I'm trying to close out this video before I go back in the other room. Yo, I think I've laughed so damn much today. I have a headache. I have an actual headache from laughing so damn hard, man. Oh my gosh. I am surrounded by some nuts. You feel me? I am surrounded by some straight, stone cold nuts. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Twan is the dude with the glasses, alright? He's the homie. That's Corey's best friend. But like I said, we all family. Oh my gosh. I wish I could make the whole vlog with just those two, because Twan laid into Corey the whole time. All right, what you guys seen was just some snippets. Twan went ham sandwich on Corey. Corey couldn't even come back from it. Okay, he couldn't even come back from it. It was so sad. It was so funny at the same damn time. Oh my gosh, I'm about to lose my voice, man. Like I said, I have a real headache, seriously. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish in here. Once again, I apologize, not trying to discuss anybody, but I'm gonna finish in here. Go out there, take me ibuprofen, and just sit my ass down and hope and pray that Twan doesn't decide to go in on Corey again. Oh gosh. So with that being said, people, I appreciate everybody who watched the whole vlog. Hope you enjoyed it, because I enjoyed making it. Alright. Oh man, okay. So y'all be easy, man, and I'll get at y'all later.